Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to become paid subscriber on Substack. First thing, if you already are receiving emails, you should be able to see a button like this in emails of the newsletter that you are already subscribed to, and you can upgrade subscription just by clicking on this button and become paid subscriber by selecting a package that you want and then filling your payment method information and clicking on subscribe right here. Otherwise, you can just click on somebody that you want to become paid subscriber, subscribe to him, then click on this subscribe button again and click on manage subscription. This will take you to this page and you can click upgrade to paid right here or right here. This will take you to another page and you will be able to simply subscribe. Just pick a package and press select. Now the same here, choose card, Google Pay or your favorite payment method and enter the details and then subscribe. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.